Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the TV or put the remote out of sight to remove the easy trigger, and commit to a 24 to 72 hour no TV window. While the device is offline, pick 2 replacements, one active such as a 20-minute walk and one low energy like reading a chapter. Do this because breaking automatic cues weakens the habit loop. Once you resist those first hours, your brain reassigns the reward. Make sure to tell one person, so accountability strengthens follow through. Once you have the initial break, restructure the moments that used to be TV time by scheduling clear alternatives with start times. Your brain needs a predictable replacement. Use timers, app limits, or a physical outlet lock to enforce boundaries gradually. This reduces decision fatigue. Add social anchors, invite a friend for a walk, or schedule a hobby slot like 30 minutes of drawing. Because social and creative. To finish strong, track streaks and reward yourself for wins, 3 days, 1 week, and make those rewards meaningful but not TV. If you relapse, don't shame yourself. Quickly identify the trigger, swap one element of the routine that failed, and restart with a 48-hour reset to rebuild momentum. Make sure to maintain the environment. Keep cables tucked, remote stored, and a visible list of goals. This makes the new habit easier and relapse less likely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.